What's going on, guys? Fab4 Games here, and today gonna be unboxing this thing. So yeah, that should be fun. This is I'll show you a bit of the packaging. New video camera thingy. So I went out to use the old iPad. So it's got all that rubbish. And then it's got that. And then it's got that. And it's got this. And you get the idea. You get the idea. Let's unbox it. I'm gonna try and keep it in shots. I did briefly look inside this before, by the way, so I do know that there is just some instructions and stuff. That's, oh no, we don't really need this. Then there's these, okay. Just a list of accessories. Okay, so this just accessories. Let me get this film, whatever. And then this is, I assume, okay, so this is the operating guide. And then this is just, what is this? Just like some random information. Okay. Then we got, I think this is the actual camcorder itself. I'll try to get this thing out. Ooh, excitement. Excitement! Okay, let's get out the accessories first. We'll leave the best for last. So we got a pretty standard AC adapter in here. Nothing too special. It's already open. I'm not going to open that though, because I can't. Oh, fine, I did. Pretty standard. What is it? 5 volts, 1.5 amps. That is. This is not too bad. I'll put this back in here just so that I know. I'm not. Why am I putting it? I don't know. You can stay over there. Okay, got the. I believe this is the actual AC adapter or like extension. Okay, it's like an extension cable. So if you want to plug in here, then you can extend it by. I don't know, looks like a decent amount. Okay, so cool USB-A extension cable. Not too bad. Then okay, this is an HDMI. Where's the ace? Okay, I don't know. Okay, so that's the. Okay, I don't know. An HDMI cable. HDMI to, I think this is like mini HDMI or something. Okay, so like if I want to plug it into a monitor, then I can. Okay. Then what's this? A battery. Okay, so this is the battery. I assume the camera doesn't have it automatically in. There's is that a screen on them? No, it's not a screen. Someone thought this little thing, camera focus. I thought that was like a screen, but no, it's just like it's like on some of those books they have like the things, or like the covers that are like you look at them at different angles and it changes. Anyways, camera itself. Yeah, I think there's a cable in here, so there might be an AC adapter in here. I'm gonna try and get this out on camera. Focus. Thank you. Ooh, the fanciness. Ooh. Okay, so here's the charger in here. That's cool. Okay, well, I've been recording for 5 minutes now. This looks so cool. Okay, so I wonder, where do I put the battery? I don't know. Where do I put the battery? battery. Where battery is. So, okay, I'm gonna take this off so I can loosen this. So that's the charge. Okay, so that's why they put bundled in an extension cable so that you can actually charge it at a mildly decent length. Okay. I do like that. So is that's not the best, so I will admit that. It's still good. I paid good money for it, and I'm not complaining. Okay, I'm just wondering where do I put the battery? You guys help me. Okay, this is cool. You can snap it open and close. I could probably just fill with that for like ages. I'm guessing it's somewhere on the bottom here. Somewhere. This is a projector. So that's micro SD card, I think. And two mini HDMIs. Okay. There's actually a little projector there, so that's cool. Still can't figure out where it goes. Okay. There's a multi-plug thing in there. In there you can see. I still do not know. Okay, so this is the battery. Is it like a spare battery? Does this thing turn on? Where's the power button? Okay, well, I'll get back to you guys when I figure out some of this stuff. Okay, update. Found where you put the battery in. It's on the bottom of where it would be. So you gotta go down here. Camera, focus on the camera. Camera, can you focus on the camera? Thank you. And then you lift that out, and then you insert it into there, pulling back this switch or something. Yeah. So that's where you put the battery. Okay. I probably cut out a part of that. I was literally just sitting here for about a minute. So, yeah, I'm gonna get going because I had to read the operating guide. So that's fun. See ya soon. Bye. Shoo shoo. Hey guys, well, I'm here, testing out the camcorder thing, so yeah. Okay, that looks, hey guys, just testing this out. This camera looks and feels really good. I'm just testing it out with some Yoshi. So, this thing looks sick. I'm telling you. Looks awesome. I mean, I'm right now literally just looking at carpet, but still, when you actually look at stuff, it looks really good. So, yeah.